Becker Warkop Ltd. has been delivering high-class installations for the mining industry to Polish and foreign markets for several years. We offer to our partners a very wide range of professional and technologically advanced products. Becker Warkop offers all kinds of transport systems, powered roof supports, cutting drums, complexes for extraction of the remaining coal seams, crushers, and pushing devices. Highly qualified personnel, consistently implemented quality policy, being open to partners' needs, as well as acquired knowledge and experience, allow us to offer a wide range of products that guarantee a high level of safety and costs optimization. Transport is one of the factors which has an influence on efficient coal output. As one of only a few transport manufacturers, we include in our offer a floor-mounted unit and a suspended one as well. Our transport systems work in extreme conditions, in high humidity and gradients up to 35 degrees. The connection of the floor-mounted haulage system with the suspended one is the most efficient transport system. These systems were designed for high material transport requirements and the biggest challenge, the transport of complete powered roof supports. Powered roof supports loaded on the platform are lowered by a shaft into the pit bottom area. The powered roof support is reloaded onto a suspended diesel KPZS monorail with help from hoists of the lifting beams, which are a part of the transport set. This system has an innovative pulling force transmission that comes from hydraulic drives. In comparison with friction haulages used before now, they provide efficient transport without sliding, a typical problem for friction haulages, especially in galleries with high humidity and gradients up to 30 degrees. These haulages convey materials with a speed of 2 meters per second and a pulling force of 100 kilonewtons. In the reloading chamber, the lowering of the powered roof support onto the transport platform of the KSZS floor-mounted haulage is realized by a hoist of the lifting beam, which is a part of the KPZS suspended monorail. The safety during loading and unloading is secured by the remote steering of hoists. The powered roof support is transported to the face by a floor-mounted diesel rack and pinion haulage, which provides load transport with a speed of up to 2.5 meters per second and a maximal pulling force of 240 kilonewtons. The floor-mounted rack and pinion haulages provide safe transport in galleries with maximal gradients up to 35 degrees. On the routes of floor-mounted and suspended haulages, the DTWA ventilation dams are built. The construction of the ventilation dam offered by Becker Warkop Ltd. Ensures a quick ride of haulages, without the need for stopping the transport. The ventilation dams can be steered directly from the operator's cabin, which has a big influence on the time of material and personnel transport. It's a rational factor that affects the increase of the economical factors of mining. When the powered roof support is removed by KSZS haulage to the area of the assembly face on so-called pass-by, the platform, together with the powered roof support that is on the platform, is disconnected from the KSZS haulage and connected to the KSZ haulage. There is also a possibility for side loading from a platform onto another platform, or else from a platform onto a stage. This reloading is realized by hydraulic and pneumatic hoists. KSZ haulage provides a material transport with a maximal pulling force of 180 kilonewtons. The platform, together with the powered roof support, is directly delivered to the assembly place. After a dozen years of activity, Becker Warkop Ltd. has specialized also in manufacturing powered roof supports. Currently, we are one of the valued powered roof support manufacturers. The powered roof supports delivered by Becker Warkop Ltd. are used in many mines and are operating in seams with a thickness from 1.2 to 4.5 meters. The powered roof supports are designed and manufactured according to the newest technological solutions. The KDBW 800-1200 dynamic crusher is used for crushing the material. This has dimensions of 800 by 800 millimeters and compressive strength up to 130 megapascals. The rotational speed of the shaft, together with beaters, provides a flywheel effect of 11,400 Newton meters. In comparison with crushers produced by other manufacturers, thanks to the technology used, KDBW crushers guarantee high efficiency of work and operational reliability. Becker Warkop also delivers installations for main gates. The UPP pushing device and the KDBW 800-1200 dynamic crusher cooperate with chain conveyors. The UPP pushing devices are used for moving the chain conveyor and driving the armored face conveyor toward the face conveyor, which is motionless. Since 1994, Becker Warkop Ltd. has been manufacturing and repairing the cutting drums for cutter loaders. We manufacture cutting drums with a diameter from 1,430 to 2,050 millimeters. Cutting drums delivered to purchasers meet the highest standards, which has an effect on the world market. Becker Warkop Ltd. has specialized in suspended transport systems. However, it also offers friction haulages. They are used for conveying materials and the personnel as well. The universality of suspended friction haulages manufactured by Becker Warkop Ltd. is based on the fact that the diesel power pack from floor-mounted rack and pinion haulages is used. The application of such a solution allows the user to remarkably reduce the transport costs. The system of material, installations and personal transport, which is optimally selected by Becker Warkop Ltd., has a significant influence on economical mining factors. We offer safe transport of both personnel and material to the faces. Thanks to cabins which are built into the suspended diesel rack and pinion haulage set, the personnel will be brought to the workplace safely and without effort. The haulage of the KPZS type proves correct in the transport of large numbers of people in galleries with gradients up to 25 degrees. This has a remarkable influence on the quick implementation of hard mining work. As it is necessary to bring all the proper materials in the mine as fast as possible, the application of Becker Warkop haulages is an optimal solution. Using a container transport enables the delivery of loaded on-the-surface materials without redundant reloading and unloading it at various mine points. Containers allow for transport of all loads, beginning from loose materials up to long elements or fuels and oils. KPZS haulage together with a heavy carrying set allows for transport without the need to dismantle the powered roof supports. The application of such a solution allows for transporting loads of up to 24 tons. The innovative connection of a drive with a toothed bar ensures material transport in galleries with a maximal gradient up to 30 degrees and a maximal speed of 2.0 meters per second. The application of a combined transport system based on suspended and floor-mounted haulages is an optimal solution for mines. The floor-mounted diesel, rack and pinion haulage is used for loads transport with a weight of up to 40 tons. As there are always some stones, coal and other objects on the floor, drive sets which are placed inside the trackway ensure the whole transport set works without any failure. Becker Warkop Ltd. is an emphatic leader in the manufacturing and selling of floor-mounted rack and pinion haulages, both electric and diesel-driven. Based on multi-annual experience gained in the mining industry, we are a reliable partner. Thanks to the company policy oriented on winning and keeping the client, we have consolidated our position in the market. We are known not only in Poland, but abroad as well. Because we know how important the miner's confidence is, we offer only high-class products. The client is the most important to us.